this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and the category and facilities also. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The density except major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The property is outstanding in case love to enjoy the surroundings. The category of room considerable